we've already established politics is local, we talked about the shift in minority votes, but also the shift in Georgia. The shift has been, and it has been electing some blue politicians there for a couple of years. What happens in Georgia?
Well, I think there's gonna be very interesting